So what you can also do is you can go ahead and create out custom toolbars as needed inside of Corel Draw. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto the Tools menu and then go around onto Options right here. And then you can go to Customization section right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that this is what you have right here. So now if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, the command section right here, you can see that there's different commands right here that you can choose from. That you can go ahead and explore out from different areas. Let's say, for example, from the file menu right here, as you can see, from macros or layout, as you can see right here. So in order to make a custom toolbar, I can simply go ahead and then, let's say, for example, click and drag this out right here. And you can see that it is out right here as a standalone toolbar right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and click and drag this out as well, and then keep it under this toolbar, and this is what you have right here. So now you can go around onto, let's say, for example, table right here, and then click and drag it out, let's say, for example, and keep it over here. And then what you can see is you got this toolbar right here. Similarly, go around onto, let's say, for example, another option right here. Let's say, for example, toolbox. And if I were to go ahead and click and drag the 3-point curve, you can see that I got this toolbar right here. And you can see that I have this custom toolbar, which I can go ahead and then place it wherever I like. And then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and create out custom toolbar as you like inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.